If you're over 50 and thinking about ways to earn extra income from home, you are definitely not alone, my friend. More and more people are realizing that they want more flexibility with their time and more control over how they earn an income. Just last week alone, I made over $3,000 online, not from a traditional job, but from the kind of digital work that I am going to show you in this video. So today I'm going to walk you through the 10 remote side hustles that people over 50 like us are starting right now. Some of these are simple ways to earn a little bit of extra income, and a few of them you can actually grow into something much, much bigger over time. And one of them is the exact strategy that completely changed our financial future. And I'm going to share that one near the end. Before we jump into the list, if we have not met yet, hi, my name is Wendy. I am a Galami from Ontario, Canada, and I help fellow midlifers to say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind, hello to freedom, flip-flops, and campfires by building online income that they can literally take anywhere. A few years ago, my husband and I sat down and looked at our finances, and I remember thinking, oh boy, like we looked at our retirement numbers and realized that something honestly had to change. I mean, it made us nervous. We were really short for retirement. So instead of asking, how can we save more money? Because we were literally doing everything we could, I started to look for other solutions. I wanted something that gave us a little bit more flexibility with our time. I tried, honestly, a bunch of things for about 6 years, fumbled around, and it's just 2 years ago, I actually began to really understand how to start getting traction. And that's when everything began to change for us. And by layering in different income streams together, I've now generated over 7 figures in the online space in the last 19 months. But it didn't come from just one thing. It came from combining several strategies like the ones I'm about to share with you today in this video. And if you'd like to understand the foundation behind all these income streams, then I've created something for you called my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It walks you through the exact framework that I followed when I started building my online business that actually started getting me traction. So you can grab that below in the description if you'd like to take a little look at it. So side hustle number 1 is becoming a remote customer support. Many companies hire remote workers to help customers through chat, email, or phone support. So there's websites like FlexJobs or Indeed list these opportunities regularly. So if you love helping people and you want something stable that you can do from home, this can be a very great starting point. Side hustle number 2 is becoming a virtual assistant. I know a few of these. Like this means helping businesses with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, or social media. I'm getting to the point in my business that I actually think I need a virtual assistant, somebody to help me because I don't want to be putting in hours and hours. The reason I'm working online is to free up my time. So there are many small businesses that need help behind the scenes. And platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, they allow you to offer these services online. Side hustle number 3 is online tutoring. And this one became very real for me recently because my oldest granddaughter, she's 9, and she's been struggling a little bit with her reading. So I asked a friend of mine who's a teacher if she knew of any tutors who could help her. Now, she told me that many tutors today actually work online because they can connect with their students from anywhere in the world. So if you've been a teacher or you have expertise in a certain subject, tutoring online allows you to help students one-on-one from your laptop. Okay, so there's platforms like these that connect tutors with students who need help. Side hustle number 4 is freelancing. If you have skills like writing, bookkeeping, editing, or graphic design, businesses hire freelancers consistently. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with companies needing help. Now, number 5 is selling products on Etsy or eBay. Many people already have hobbies like crafts, collectibles, or vintage items, and others are searching for these online. So these platforms can connect your buyers to your sellers from around the world. Now keep in mind, Etsy platform does take a percentage of your sale, so you have to weigh that into the price if you decide to go that route. Now the next 5 side hustles I'm about to share are exactly the ones that I personally used and layered together in my own business. These are the strategies that eventually allowed me to transition out of my 9-to-5 and create a full-time income online. So as we go through these next ones, you're going to start to see how they can all kind of work together. So side hustle number 6 is affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of my favorites because it simply means recommending products or tools that you already use and trust. If somebody purchases through your link, you earn a commission. Simple as that. So one of my students is a veterinarian who created a YouTube channel helping people care for their aging pets. She has such a heart and passion for pets. You can imagine, she's a vet. So she recommends these products and people trust her recommendations because she knows what she's talking about. So every time somebody purchases one of the products that she recommends, she starts to make commissions. And this can be with anything. You don't need to be a veterinarian. I personally use affiliate marketing in my own business. I currently have about 10 affiliate partnerships. Like right here is just one example of how much I got paid from one of my affiliate partnerships. So when you layer in several affiliate partnerships, it becomes another stream of income. And you can easily do that with Amazon affiliates, or most of your favorite products will have an affiliate link that you can then offer. So the next side hustle, number 7, is starting a YouTube channel. Like, this is one of my favorites because here you are watching my YouTube channel, right? Many people think YouTube income only comes from ads, but ads are actually just one small piece of the puzzle with YouTube. YouTube can drive affiliate income. It can drive digital product sales, sponsorships. You can drum up brand deals. You can generate ad revenue, and all from the same video. So let's just take a look at my income from YouTube. And this is my past year in 2025. I made just over $19,000 in AdSense revenue. And that is awesome for my little channel. So if starting a YouTube channel is something that you've been thinking about, I created a YouTube Success Starter Kit, looks like this, and it walks you through the first steps to getting traction on your YouTube channel. You're going to find that linked in the description below. All right, side hustle number 8 is creating simple digital PDFs or printables. Think planners, checklists, templates, or guides that solve a specific problem. I actually created a simple PDF solution to a problem that my customer had. I priced it at $9. And in just one day, that little digital product generated me over $1,000 in sales. You can use platforms like Canva to create your product, and they make it very easy to do. It's very beginner friendly because you can design digital resources even if you've never created something like that before. And once you get going, before you know it, you're going to be like a creating machine. And doing this is where actually things started to shift for me personally, because once I began learning how these online income streams worked, I realized something really important. It wasn't about finding one perfect side hustle. It was about layering in a few of the right ones together so they could start supporting each other. Now, one strategy might bring you traffic, like YouTube, another might generate sales, and another might create reoccurring income. So when those pieces begin working together, that's when the whole system really can start to grow. So now the final 2 side hustles on this list are actually the ones that changed everything for me. They're the ones that pay me the bigger dollars. These strategies generated the most income in my business and eventually allowed me to leave my 9-to-5 job. So you definitely don't want to miss those. So side hustle number 9 is digital products. These can include courses, guides, templates, or memberships that solve a specific problem. Now, once they're created, they can be sold again and again without needing to recreate them each time. That is the beautiful thing. I personally have sold multiple different digital courses and generated over 6 figures with having digital courses and products. So learning this skill set is so very valuable because you keep 100% of the profit. The only money that gets taken out of this are anything that's for your payment platforms like PayPal, Stripe, Square, things like that. They take a certain percentage because they have a sale and you might pay a little fee. But other than that, you keep majority of the income, which is different from those other programs like Etsy. So I don't know about you, but keeping more of the money in my pocket is what I like. Okay, now the final side hustle is that one that personally changed everything for me. Like when I was started exploring ways to earn online, I didn't want to build something complicated and from scratch. Like I didn't start with digital products, creating my own. I needed a clear step-by-step system. And that's when I discovered what I like to call my complete blueprint. It's almost like a business in a box. Like, it taught me digital marketing skills. It taught me all about sales funnels, email marketing, and automation. I had no clue what they were, but I learned it, right? It also came with 10 digital products that I could sell with 100% resale rights. So while I was learning the skills, I already had products ready to offer. It also helped me create my own digital products that I talked about before. It taught me about printables, programs. I started learning how to work smarter in the online space. So layering in multiple income streams was working smarter, not harder, but allowed me to bring in more income. So I had more money coming into my bank account, which is a good thing, right? Plus, it included live coaching, mentorship, community, tech support, which to me was extremely important because I am not techie, right? I needed to make sure it had that kind of support. So if you'd like to see the exact steps I followed, then again, grab that Freedom Formula Blueprint. You can also watch the free class, which really explains this in greater detail so you can make the best decision for you. And if you want to see exactly how I used that program and went on to generate over $650,000 in my first year, then you're going to want to watch this video right here where I break it down step by step. I will see you over there, my friends.